Hello guys, my name is Gyan Anand. Today I am going to present my insights on the strategic analysis for the potential merger between Leo Cinema and Jotistar. Before I dive into the details, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to Code Basics for presenting this challenge. This opportunity has allowed me to explore and analyze the data in depth. So now, moving on to the table of content. First one is introduction. We will have an introduction of the company, then we will see the problem statement, and we will have our dashboard preview. After that, we will answer primary and secondary research question, and then we will to the recommendation based on data analysis and research that I have conducted, and finally to the conclusion. So let's begin with our introduction. Leo Cinema and Jotistar. Insights for a strategic merger in the OTT domain. Leo and Jotistar revolutionizing digital streaming in India. Let me start with a brief overview. Leo, a leading telecommunication provider, and it is planning to merge with Jotistar, one of the country's premier streaming platform. This strategic partnership brings together Leo Cinema's vast subscriber base and Jotistar's rich and diverse content library, the way for a revolutionary digital streaming experience. We focused on several key areas: platform performance, content consumption pattern, subscriber growth, inactivity behavior, and the trends in subscription upgrade and downgrade. These insights are critical in shaping our strategy for this successful merger. Ultimately, our goal with the new Leo Jotistar platform is to establish it as India's leading OTT service, offering unparalleled reach and an extensive, diverse content that caters to every viewer's taste. Strategic analysis for the Leo Jotistar merger. Our main goal is to bring together Leo Cinema's large subscriber base and Jotistar's variety of shows and movies into one top-notch OTT platform. By combining these strengths, we aim to give viewers across India a smooth, personalized, and exciting streaming experience. We will use data and smart decision making to grow our subscriber, improve content, and shape the future of digital entertainment in the country. Our problem statement is that Leo wants to merge with Jotstar to become India's leading OTT platform, but both services have different types of subscriber, content library, and user engagement habit. So to make this merge successful, Leo teams need a detailed data focused look at both platforms. It is also crucial to find out why some users stop using the service so we can tackle churn and keep viewers engaged. So now moving on to the dashboard review. This is the subscription view, this is content view, and this is the engagement view. Since I don't have a Power BI license to publish it publicly, you can explore the interactive version by downloading the PBIX file from the provided GitHub link. Now let's begin with our primary questions. First question is, what is the total number of users for Leo Cinema and Jotstar, and how do they compare in terms of growth trends from January to November 2024? Leo Cinema has around 183,000 users, while Jotstar has only 44,000 users. That means Leo Cinema has about 4 times more users than Jotstar. Leo Cinema clearly has a much large user base. In terms of growth trend, Leo Cinema's user growth is increasing rapidly, especially from September to November, while Jotstar is growing much slower, adding only 3,900 to 4,200 new users per month. In November alone, Leo Cinema gained 36,000 users, while Jotstar added 4,200. That's nearly 9 times faster growth for Leo Cinema. Leo Cinema is expanding rapidly while Jotstar is going at a steady but slower pace. Second question is, what is the total number of contents available on Leo Cinema versus Jotstar, and how do they differ in terms of language and content type? Jotstar has 2,360 total content item while Leo Cinema has 1,250 content item. That means Jotstar has nearly double the content compared to Leo Cinema. In terms of language distribution, Jotstar supports 10 languages with the largest share in English and Hindi, while Leo Cinema supports 7 languages with the most content in Hindi and Telugu. JotStar has a stronger multilingual presence, especially in regional Indian languages and English. And JotStar has a more balanced distribution across movie, series, and sports. As we can also see that Leo Cinema is heavily focused on movies with 72% and with fewer series 24% and very limited sports content. Next one is what is the distribution of users by age group, city tier, and subscription plan for each platform. First, let's talk about the age groups using each platform. JotStar's biggest audience is aged 25 to 34 years, making up 45% of its users. This means it is popular among working professionals and who like having higher purchasing power. Leo Cinema, on the other hand, is dominated by younger viewers aged 18 to 24, making up to 43% of its users. This suggests that students and early professionals are its main audience. Now let's see where these users are located. JotStar is more urban focused with 57% of its users coming from tier 1 cities. This aligns with its premium content. Leo Cinema has a strong presence in smaller towns with 43% of its users from tier 3 cities. This shows it's widely adopted in non-metro areas. So what is the opportunity here? JotStar can expand into tier 2 and tier 3 cities by adding more regional content. Leo Cinema can increase its revenue in tier 1 city by offering premium upgrade to its users. Finally, let's look at how users are subscribing. Leo Cinema has a strong free users base, 57%, meaning many users prefer watching content for free in Leo Cinema. While in JotStar's most popular plan is its VIP subscription, showing its strength in premium content. So, what can these platforms do to grow? Leo Cinema can convert free users by offering limited time premium trial. And JotStar can increase VIP subscription by partnering with telecom and broadband company for bundle offer. Fourth question is what percentage of Leo Cinema and JotStar users are active versus inactive and how do these rates vary by age group and subscription plan? So let's look at overall user activity. JotStar has much higher active user percentage 85% while Leo Cinema lags behind at 55%. Leo Cinema also has more inactive users, meaning nearly half of its users are not engaged. This shows that JotStar keeps its audience engaged much better than Leo Cinema. Now let's see how engagement varies by age. JotStar maintains high engagement across all age groups with more than 84% of users staying active. Leo Cinemas struggles with younger users 18 to 24-year-old. Only 50.92% are active, meaning nearly half are inactive. However, older users 45 plus on Leo Cinema are more engaged with 60.94% active. JotStar's audience has the highest engagement 86.72%, meaning older users stay highly active on this platform. While Leo Cinema needs to focus on younger users 18 to 20 34 to boost engagement, while JotStar is doing well across all age groups. Let's talk about how engagement changes based on subscription type. Premium users are the most engaged on both platforms. JotStar's Premium 93.26% active and Leo Cinema's Premium 82.13% are active. And in free users have the lowest engagement. Leo Cinema free only 43.05% are active and in JotStar free users are 74.26% are active. So we can say that JotStar's VIP users are also highly engaged, and Leo Cinema basic users have a lower engagement. Now that premium plans help retain user better, likely due to exclusive content, and Leo Cinema's free tier users are much less engaged, while JotStars keep even its free users engaged. So, what can these platforms do to improve? Leo Cinemas should focus on keeping free users engaged by offering better content or incentives to upgrade, while JotStar is doing well across all age groups but can further improve free user engagement. Leo Cinema also needs to figure out why younger users are the less engaged and adjust its content or marketing. Both platforms should promote premium plans more because since premium users stay the most active. Fifth question is, what is the average watch time for Leo Cinema versus JotStar during the analysis period? And how do these compare by city tier and device type? First, if we look at the total watch time, JotStar clearly dominates with 21,104 minutes, making up 85.4% of the total, while Leo Cinema only accounts for 14.6% at 3,609 minutes. This means JotStar has higher users engagement than Leo Cinema. Now let's break it down by device type. Mobile is the most popular device for both platforms, but JotStar sees much higher engagement compared to Leo Cinema. TV comes next, which is second most popular device, and the least used device is laptop across both platforms. So while both platforms while both platforms perform best on mobile, JotStar is ahead across all device types. Now looking at city tier engagement, JotStar leads in every tier. The difference is most striking in tier 1 cities where JotStar has highest minutes of watch time compared to Leo Cinemas. This tells us that JotStar has strong engagement across all city tier, while Leo Cinema has slightly better traction in tier 1 city compared to lower tiers. So what does all this mean? JotStar dominates Leo Cinema in total watch time. Mobile is the most preferred device for both platforms, but JotStar leads across all devices. Also, JotStar is popular across all city tiers, while Leo Cinema needs to improve its engagement in lower city tiers. Sixth question is, how do inactivity pattern correlate with total watch time or average watch time? And are less engaged users more likely to become inactive? So, there is a strong inverse correlation between watch time and inactivity rates. The data clearly shows that users who watch less content are more likely to become inactive. JotStar versus Leo Cinema, who retain users better. Now let's compare the two platforms. JotStar has a strong active users base. Around 85% of its users are engaged, with only 15% become inactive. Leo Cinema struggles with retention. Nearly 45% of its users are inactive, which is a major concern. So, how does watch time affect inactivity? Looking deeper into watch time, we see a clear pattern. On JotStar, active users watch an average of 23,765 minutes, while inactive users only watch 5,913 minutes, a 75% drop. On Leo Cinema, active users watch just 5,642 minutes, while inactive users drop down to 1,110 minutes. So, the data proves that low engagement directly increases the risk of inactivity. Are less engaged users more likely to become inactive? Absolutely. Here is what we found. On JotStar, users watching less than 6,000 minutes are 3 times more likely to become inactive, while on Leo Cinema, users watching under 1500 minutes are 4 times more likely to churn. This shows that platform needs to focus on boosting engagement to prevent users from being inactive. So how can these platforms keep users engaged? First, by set engagement target. JotStar should focus on users watching less than 6,000 minutes, while Leo Cinema needs to retain those watching under 1500 minutes. And second one is by providing personalized content. AI-driven recommendation can help keep users watching longer. Third one is by providing exclusive offer for inactive users. Imagine receiving a free premium trial or access to exclusive content. This can help bring back inactive users. Seventh question is how do downgrade trend differ between Leo Cinema and JotStar? Are downgrades more prevalent on one platform compared to other? So when we compare downgrade trends, Leo Cinema has a much higher downgrade rate compared to JotStar. This means Leo Cinema users are almost twice as likely to downgrade their subscription compared to JotStar user. Now looking at the monthly trends, we see a clear pattern. Leo Cinema's downgrade increase from January to July, reaching their peak in July with 2,456 downgrades. After a slight dip, downgrades rise again in November, indicating some seasonal fluctuations, maybe due to content cycle or user behavior. On the other hand, JotStar shows a completely different trend. Downgrades are decreasing over time, with the highest in January to May, but by November they dropped to just 97 downgrades. That's a great sign of improving user retention. So, what does this tell us? JotStar has better user retention as downgrades are dropping over time, while Leo Cinema is struggling to retain users with higher and fluctuating downgrades throughout the year. So, main question is why is Leo Cinema facing more downgrades? So, possible reasons could be users might not find enough interesting content to stay, seasonal habits affecting how people watch time. So, what can these platforms do? For Leo Cinema, they should identify why users are downgrading, maybe through survey or users' feedback, by introducing personalized retention strategy likely loyalty rewards or discount for users who are about to downgrade, and by providing promotional offer during peak downgrade months. For JotStar, whatever they are doing is working well. So they should keep investing in successful content and retention strategies. They can analyze what is keeping users engaged and double down on those strengths. Eighth question is what is the most common upgrade transition? Example free to basic, free to VIP, free to premium for Leo Cinema and JotStar, and how do these differ across platform? In Leo Cinema, most users start by upgrading from free to basic with over 2000 users, making this transition. This suggests that the basic plan is an attractive entry point, especially for budget conscious users. Later, many of these users upgrade from basic to premium, showing a step by step commitment. Interesting point is that fewer users jump directly from free to premium, indicating that users prefer testing the platform with lower cost plan before committing to higher tier subscription. Now, when we look at JotStar, we see a very different trend. The biggest transition here is from VIP to premium, with nearly 2,800 users making this upgrade. This suggests that VIP plan is highly effective in encouraging stepwise upgrade and more users upgrade from free to VIP rather than free to premium, which indicate that JotStar's VIP tier offer exclusive perk like early access to content, making it a strong middle tier option before user commit to premium. In short, Leo Cinema users prefer a budget-friendly, gradual upgrade approach, while Jot Star tiered structure effective pushes users step by step towards premium. Understanding these patterns can help business optimize their pricing model and user engagement strategies. Ninth question is, how does the paid user percentage, example basic premium for Leo Cinema, VIP premium for Jot Star, vary across different platforms? Also, analyze the proportion of premium users in Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3 cities and identify any notable trends or differences. For Leo Cinema, the proportion of paid users is highest in Tier 1 city and the lowest in Tier 3. A major insight here is that in Tier 2 cities, users prefer the basic plan more than premium, with basic subscription at 35.35%, while premium is just around 15%. In Tier 3 cities, the premium plan is the least preferred, with only 7.25% of users for it, indicating a low willingness to pay for premium content in smaller cities. On the other hand, Jot user behavior and trend. Now let's talk about Jot. Jot maintains a higher percentage of paid users across all city tier compared to Leo Cinema. In tier 1 cities, an impressive 79.92% of users are paid subscribers. Tier 2 follows with 69.73%, and even in tier 3 cities, nearly half of the users are paying customers. Another key takeaway is that the VIP plan is more popular than premium, especially in tier 2, where 50.61% of users choose VIP, suggesting that users see it as a stepping stone before moving to premium. When comparing both platforms, Leo Cinema has total of 53k basic users and 25k premium users, making it clear that budget conscious subscription dominate their model. You can see that in my graph. On the other hand, Jotstar has a more balanced split with 19k VIP users and 13k premium users, showing that both mid and higher tier plans are performing well. So what does this tell us? For Leo Cinema, there is a strong preference for basic plan in tier 2 and tier 3, meaning the company could introduce affordable premium trials or special discounts to boost premium adoption. For Jotstar, the VIP tier is clearly success, acting as a middle tier bridge. The company can leverage this by offering VIP exclusive perks to encourage further upgrades to premium. Overall, Jotstar has a higher paid user retention rate, while Leo Cinema may need stronger premium engagement strategies to convert free users. So, 10th question is, assume the following monthly subscription price, calculate the total revenue generated by both platform Leo Cinema and Jotstar for the analysis period January to November 2024. The calculation should consider subscription count under each plan, active duration of subscriber on their respective plan, upgrades and downgrades during the period, ensuring revenue reflects the time spent under each plan. So, by considering all these 3 points, my revenue generated for Leo Cinema is approximately 16 million, and total revenue generated for Jotstar is 43 million. So, first let's talk about numbers. Leo Cinema has 183k users, while Jotstar has only 44k users. That's a huge difference between users. But when we look at revenue, Jotstar dominates with 43.95 million, while Leo Cinema is far behind at 16.67 million approximately. So why is this happening? Pricing plays a big role because Leo Cinemas plan start at 69 rupees while Jotstar go up to 359. That means Jotstar makes more money per user. Second point is user behavior matters too. If most of the Leo Cinemas users are on the cheaper plan, revenue stays low. Meanwhile, if JotStar has more premium users, it explains why they are making so much more money with fewer subscribers. One of the big factor is churn and inactive users. Another shocking insight is that Leo Cinema has higher churn rate compared to JotStar, and more users are becoming inactive or canceling their subscription on Leo Cinema means they are losing potential revenue every month, as we can see in the previous questions. On the other hand, JotStar has better retention. Their users are sticking around longer, which keeps their revenue stable and growing. So, what is the takeaway? Leo Cinema needs to reduce churn. They should focus on keeping users engaged and upgrading them to higher plans, while JotStar is winning in revenue per user. But if they want long term success, they need to increase their subscription base. Now, comes for the further analysis and recommendations. So, what strategies can the merged platform implement to increase engagement among inactive users and convert them into active users? Inactive users are a challenge for any OTT platform, but with the right strategy, we can bring them back and increase engagement. First, content relevance and personalization. Imagine a user who last watched Hindi action movie but hasn't returned. We can send personalized push notification for new releases in their favorite genre. We can also use watch list recovery campaign like your next episode is live, a simple nudge to bring them back to the platform. Next behavioral trigger for the reactivation is for users gradually disengaging, we can offer a curated playlist like top 10 action movies in your city to keep them hooked. And for those who suddenly stopped watching, we can trigger win back offers such as a 7-day free trial or a limited time discount. This can encourage them to return and continue streaming. Finally, subscription plan optimization. A premium light plan with a 50% discount for a 3 month can be great way to get more users to subscriber. Free users can be encouraged to try ad-free basic plans during festive seasons, and for users in lower tier cities, we can introduce SMS based promotion like 10 rupee per day basic pass. This makes it affordable and accessible to a large audience. So by personalizing content, targeting user behavior, and optimizing plans, we can successfully convert inactive users into loyal subscribers. Second question is, what type of brand campaign should the merged platform launch to establish it as a OTT platform in India? To dominate the Indian OTT space, the merged platform needs impactful and brand campaigns that resonate with audience across region, language, and price segments. First, the campaign theme is one platform for all. A flagship ad series can showcase relatable character for tier 1 to tier 3 cities, enjoying content in their native language. For example, imagine a Tamil speaking grandfather bonding with his Hindi speaking granddaughter over a dubbed version of Jot Star's premium series. The tagline, from Mumbai to Madurai, your story, your platform. This reinforces language diversity. Next, your language, your story. Regional stars like Allu Arjun for Telugu and Vijay Sethupathi for Tamil can endorse localized content, while national influencers like Virat Kohli can highlight Jot Stars sports exclusive. To make it more interactive, we can introduce a vote for your favorite classic campaign where users choose movie for remakes or dub, and winners get VIP access. Finally, affordable accessibility for mass markets. A campaign called Small Recharge Big Fun can target Leo Cinema's free user and tier 2-3 audience, encouraging them to become paid subscriber. A great strategy could be partnering with Leo's telecom arm to offer a 49 rupee plan with 1 GB of data plus 7-day VIP access. This makes premium content affordable for everyone. With this strategic campaign, the merged platform can strengthen its brand identity drive higher engagement, and establish itself as India's top OTT platform. Third question is, how should the merged platform price its subscription plans to compete effectively while maintaining profitability? A well-structured tiered pricing model ensures accessibility for different users. Here is how it works. Basic plan. It supported or limited screen access for budget-friendly user. Standard plan. Ad-free HD streaming with moderate device limit for regular streamer. Third is premium plan. Ad-free 4K streaming with multiple device access to premium users. This model ensures affordability while providing premium experience for those who want more. Second is bundling partnership for bundling partnership and promotional offer more than just streaming. Why stop at subscription? Let's integrate OTT with daily use service. Partnering with the telecom leverage their customer base and reduce acquisition cost. E-commerce and food delivery partnership offer subscription discount for loyalty program member. By integrating OTT with these platforms, we can access easier and more appealing. Flexible trial and discounted promotion, bringing in more users. To encourage sign-ups and retain users, strategic promotions are key. Offer 7-day free trial in competitive market to attract new users. Email and SMS campaign to re-engage inactive users. Diwali, Eid, New Year promotions, special discounts or bonus month, and limited time offer and free trial create urgency, encouraging users to subscribe. Fourth one is, how can the platform leverage partnership with telecom companies to expand its subscriber base? OTT platforms are booming and telecom companies have massive user base. But how can they work together to expand subscription? Let's explore three smart strategies. Bundled subscription plan, a win-win for everyone. Imagine getting a OTT subscription free with your mobile recharge. That's the power of bundled plan. Prepaid recharge offer. For example, recharge with 249 rupee and get 1.5 GB per day plus 3 months of OTT basic plan. Postpaid integration. Add OTT access to unlimited plan like 599 rupee postpaid plan with free OTT premium. This makes OTT content more accessible while telecom providers get higher user engagement. Second is co-branded marketing campaign, the perfect collaboration. Now imagine seeing an ad that says Airtel users Avenger and game fee for 3 months. That's co-branded marketing. So how does it work? Joint advertisement. Feature both telecom and OTT branding. SMS plus IVI promotion to activate. For example, dial 121 hash to activate your free OTT subscription. This strategy boosts awareness while making OTT subscription feel like an added bonus. Regional partnership. One size doesn't fit all. To reach tier 2 and tier 3 cities, OTT platform must localize their approach. How? Partnering with regional telecom. For example, BSNL users in Bihar can stream Bhojpuri hits for just 10 rupee per day. Collaborating with regional stars, imagine Allu Arjun promoting Telugu content for Dhanush and during Tamil OTT film. This makes OTT platform more relevant and appealing in different regions. So by combining bundle plan, co-branded marketing, and regional partnership, OTT platforms can reach millions of new subscribers. So our fifth question is, what role can AI and machine learning play in personalizing the user experience and improving content discovery? AI and machine learning are transforming the way we discover content. But how exactly do they enhance personalization and improve the user experience? Let's break it down. Ever noticed how Netflix or Prime Video suggest movies you might like? That's AI in action. Analyzing viewing patterns. If you love Inception, AI may recommend Interstellar because similar users enjoyed both. Genre and action based suggestion. For example, if often watched comedies, your homepage will feature more stand-up special and comedy. Solving the cold start problem. Even new users get smart recommendation using demographic data and initial preference. This ensures every users get content tailored to their taste. Second is adaptive streaming and accessibility. AI doesn't just recommend content, it makes sure that you can enjoy it in the best way possible. Third is language and subtitle recommendation. If you are in India, AI must suggest Hindi dub version of English shows. User controlled adjustment. Ever wondered why am I seeing this? AI power platform now let users tweak their preferences. Balanced content curation. AI ensures OTT platform highlight both regional and mainstream content, so no single genre dominates. Third is optimized homepage. For mobile users, AI prioritizes short form videos, trending clip, and content suited for small screens. With AI, content discovery is not just smart, it's personalized and accessible and seamless. Our sixth question is, who should be the brand ambassador for the newly merged OTT platform, Leo Cinema and Jotistar, to effectively represent its identity and attract diverse audience? So, in my point of view, Allu Arjun, the entertainment icon. The relevance to OTT content as a leading South Indian superstar, Allu Arjun has a strong fan base across India and globally. His movies dominate OTT platform and his appeal extend beyond his just Telugu cinema, making him a perfect choice for an entertainment-centric platform. Pan India popularity. His recent success with Pushpa made him a national icon, reaching North and South audience. This aligns well with an OTT platform aiming for diverse audience engagement. Social media and youth appeal. He enjoys massive engagement on social media, which can drive digital marketing campaign effectively. Second one is Virat Kohli, the sport and lifestyle icon. Massive fan following as one of the biggest cricket star globally. Kohli's influence span beyond sports into fitness, fashion, and lifestyle, attracting sports enthusiasts and a broad audience base. Global recognition. Given his international recognition, he can help the platform gain visibility beyond India, making it attractive for sports documentaries like sports streaming and global OTT expansion. High engagement and brand value. Kohli is among the most followed athletes on social media, making him a great asset for brand promotion and user engagement. So, who is the best choice? If Leo Cinema and Jyotistar aims to dominate mainstream entertainment and movies, Allu Arjun is better fit. And if the platform focuses on sports streaming, fitness, and global branding, Virat Kohli is the ideal choice. A dual branding approach could work where Allu Arjun represents the entertainment segment and Virat Kohli represents the sports and fitness content. So finally, top three recommendation for Leo Jyotistar merger. First one is integrate content libraries and regionalize premium offerings. To expand our reach, Jyotistar's premium series and movies should be dubbed in regional language like Tamil and Telugu, catering to Leo Cinema's broader audience. A premium plus regional plan at 199 rupee per month can bundle Jyotistar Sports and Original with Leo Cinema's regional hits to increase user adoption. Additionally, we should streamline Jyotistar's live sports like cricket directly on Leo Cinema's app to attract high value users. By launching tiered pricing and retention campaign, a tier 1 plan at 359 rupee per month can offer premium feature like 4K streaming and family packs. For tier 2 and tier 3 users, we can introduce a VIP Lite plan at 99 rupee per month, giving ad-free access to regional content. To win back inactive users, we should offer free trials of JotStar exclusive content, encouraging them to subscribe. Third one is leverage unified data insights for hyper personalized experience. By merging telecom data from Leo with streamlined behavior, we can offer seamless personalized recommendation like watch on mobile, continue on TV. Finally, we can re-engage low user viewers by triggering smart notification for users watching less than 1000 minutes per month. So, what is the overall conclusion for Leo Jyotistar merger strategy? So imagine a streamlined experience where regional entertainment meets premium content, where affordable pricing meets exclusive perks, and where technology drives a more personalized viewing journey. That's exactly what the Leo Cinema and Dot Star merge aims to achieve. Here's how we can make it happen. First, we merge strength. Leo Cinema already dominates regional content, while Jotstar brings high quality English and Hindi entertainment. By combining both, we cater to diverse audience from local viewers to premium subscribers. Second is we make sports a game changer. Sports is a massive crowd puller. With Jotstar's sports catalog and Leo Cinema's strong telecom backing, we keep both urban and regional users engaged, ensuring they stay loyal to the platform. Third is we rethink pricing. Not everyone can afford a full price premium plan. That's why we introduce affordable daily, weekly, and premium light plan, giving more users a chance to enjoy ad-free content at a fraction of the cost. Fourth is we get smart with personalization. By combining Leo's telecom data with Jotstar's weighing insight, we can tailor recommendations like never before, increasing engagement and reducing churn. Finally, we bring AI into the picture. Instead of losing inactive users, we re-engage them with smart notification, personalized offer, and free trials, turning lost subscriber into active once again. In short, this merger is not just about combining two platforms, it's about creating the ultimate streaming experience for every kind of viewer. With the right content, pricing, and technology, we are set to redefine India's digital entertainment space. And with that, I wrap up my presentation. Thank you for your time.